Woo! Yep, I got scared. You heard that. Welcome back to Johnny Boy's Garage. Today we're going to be putting this together. With that, let's get to it and go ahead and get this thing opened up. Got a whole bunch of boxes labeled front. That's where the hardware's hiding. Out of curiosity, I want to know if the casters I bought just screw into this. That'd be really nice. Oh, like it was meant to be. So if you guys buy this modular welding table from Harbor Freight, I picked these casters up from Home Depot right here. These screw right into the leg, so that makes life way easier, especially if you want it to be a mobile welding cart. So right now I'm not going to put these, well actually yeah, I'm going to make my life a lot easier versus trying to put these in later. I think these casters are like in the neighborhood of 15 bucks. I'm going to put a washer and a nut on it because I did already pay for them. Just kind of make sure it doesn't back out. So the casters from the Harbor Freight don't actually fit their welding table, but the ones from the Home Depot do, so I'll take that as a win. Washer, stock washer, and a nut. And I should put a black washer on this one too. So all in all, between the table and the casters to make it mobile, I want to say the table's $189 plus tax. The casters with a washer, a nut, and a lock washer cost me like $55, so it's about $250 for the table. But being in limited space, I'd much prefer it being mobile versus just in my way all the time. I can already tell some of these aren't milled the straightest. I don't think this is the proper thread, or at least it's probably not the exact right diameter stud that goes up through here, but it's so close that it does thread in. And if you put a washer and a lock washer on it, I don't think it's really going to be an issue at the end of the day. Sometimes it saves you a lot of time and grief to just go ahead and read the instructions. I think today is one of those days. If I bothered to read it beyond put legs on table, I'd have realized that I had to do it this way. You gotta put these corner pieces on, and then the legs will bolt to that. process on this side. We'll do this for all 4 corners. Ain't gonna talk much, we're just gonna try to get this knocked out real quick. Should be able to go ahead and flip this over and see how she looks. Well oiled is what I would say. Rolls pretty good. So she looks pretty good. Probably wind up putting the vise on top of this and having a nice, safer spot to learn how to weld. I can't speak for how sturdy she is because there is play on these. There is play on these casters in terms of the bearings. But it doesn't feel like the table's giving it all, which is nice. Maybe a little bit, but not too much deflection. So I found out this vise will fit. So I'm using a little bit of hardware I had stockpiled to bolt this down to the table. And at least then it does 2 things for me. One, clears up the bench a little bit. And it puts the vise generally where I'm going to need it. Got the vise up on there. I think that clears us up on the welding table. I'm sure you guys are going to be seeing me use this here in the near future. So we're going to move on. I'm actually going to make this one a little bit shorter of a video Probably just a bonus video. Thanks for watching, guys. I do kind of like having this thing on casters. It was a little bit of a pain to assemble. Once I actually read the instructions, though, it was pretty simple. I like that I can mount my vise to it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video.